we go.
That wasn't so bad.
Feel that right there?
Yeah.
Remember, it was tender a second ago?
Yeah. I don't feel it tense anymore. Oh, okay. It's just a little one. Okay. I can still move.
That one's gotta go a little further.
Oh, this?
Yeah, try to squish my hands. Press.
Oh, what was that? It was a click. Click.
Where did it feel like it was?
It was like right here.
Right?
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
I feel like shit. That's good. I can still do things.
And you're pretty flexible.
Yeah.
She is very flexible.
Yeah.
It was my neck and my shoulders.
Yeah.
That's good.
That feel better than?
My neck's
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much better now.
Oh my gosh, so much better.
Yeah.
You needed that.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Thank
Good
you.
sport.
I'm high-fiving you, he did it.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, did your half was better? Let's get hammered, champ.
Let's go, champ. Oh. Oh.
You got that one.